In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Copper CRM. Let's start right at the beginning. Open your web browser and search for Copper CRM. From the results page, click the official Copper website so you land on the correct sign-in page. Go ahead and sign in with your usual credentials. If your company uses single sign-on, you'll follow that flow. Otherwise, use your standard login. Once you're in, you'll be on the Copper dashboard. To add a single contact, look to the left-hand menu and open the People section. At the top right of that page, click the Add Person button. This opens a form where you can enter all the key details for your contact. Start with the basics like first and last name, then add their company and job title. Choose a contact type if your account uses them, things like customer, prospect, or vendor, so you can segment later. Set the owner to the teammate responsible for the relationship. This helps with reporting and follow-up. Add their work email and work phone, and include the company website. If you have it, paste their LinkedIn profile URL and fill in their business address. Use the description field for notes such as context from a call or the source of the lead. Finally, add tags that make searching and filtering easier, like the product line they're interested in or the event where you met them. When everything looks accurate, click Save. A quick tip: keep formatting consistent. Use full international phone numbers and complete URLs starting with HTTPS to make your data clean and searchable. If you need to add many contacts at once, use an import. Go to your workspace settings, then open Manage Your Data. Choose Import Data to begin. Here you can upload a file containing your contacts. Prepare a spreadsheet beforehand with clear column headers for the fields you plan to use, like name, company, title, email, phone, website, LinkedIn, address, description, and tags. Select the CSV option, upload your file, and you'll see a mapping step. Match each column from your file to the corresponding Copper field. Take a moment to review the mapping carefully. This is where tidy headers pay off. Confirm everything is aligned, and then click Continue Import. Copper will process the file and create the contacts for you. That's it. Whether you're adding one person or hundreds, these steps help keep your Copper CRM data organized, searchable, and ready for action.